Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest health tips and tricks. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people with this crucial information. Is the liver important? The liver is one of the most crucial organs in the human body, responsible for over 500 vital functions that are essential for maintaining good health. This large reddish-brown organ located on the right side of the abdomen plays a central role in processing nutrients, detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile, and regulating metabolism. Given its pivotal role in various bodily functions, maintaining a healthy liver is critical for overall well-being. However, modern lifestyle factors such as poor diet, sedentary behavior, and excessive alcohol consumption have led to an increase in liver-related conditions, particularly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. Fatty liver occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver cells, potentially leading to inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis if left untreated. The good news is that with the right approach, it is possible to reduce liver fat and restore liver health. The importance of bile. Bile is a greenish-yellow fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It plays a crucial role in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, in the small intestine. Bile also helps to eliminate waste products, including bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown, and cholesterol from the body. Bile's importance extends beyond just digestion. It also has a significant role in maintaining a healthy liver. Bile helps to remove excess fat from the liver by emulsifying dietary fats, making them easier to digest and absorb. When bile production or flow is impaired, it can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. A big symptom of a fatty liver. One of the most common and noticeable symptoms of a fatty liver is discomfort or pain in the upper right abdomen, just below the rib cage. This discomfort is often due to the enlargement of the liver caused by fat accumulation. As the liver becomes engorged with fat, it can press against surrounding organs and tissues, leading to a feeling of fullness, pressure, or mild pain. Other symptoms may be less obvious, but are equally important to recognize. These can include fatigue, unexplained weight gain, and a general sense of malaise. If left unchecked, fatty liver can progress to more severe conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH, fibrosis, and cirrhosis, which are much harder to treat and can lead to liver failure. Important functions of the liver. The liver performs a myriad of functions that are vital to life. Some of the key functions include detoxification. The liver detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs, filtering and neutralizing toxins from the blood. Metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage and also plays a key role in breaking down fats and producing cholesterol. Production of bile. As mentioned earlier, bile is essential for fat digestion and the elimination of waste products. Regulation of blood clotting. The liver produces proteins necessary for blood clotting, helping to prevent excessive bleeding. Storage of vitamins and minerals. The liver stores essential vitamins like A, D, and B12, as well as minerals such as iron and copper. Immune function. The liver contains immune cells that help fight infections and cleanse the blood of pathogens. Given these essential functions, maintaining liver health is not just important, it is vital for overall health and longevity. When bile production or flow is low, several symptoms can arise, indicating that the liver may not be functioning optimally. Digestive issues. Since bile is crucial for fat digestion, low bile levels can lead to indigestion, bloating, and discomfort after meals, especially those high in fat. Pale stools. Bile gives stools their characteristic brown color. A lack of bile can cause stools to appear pale or clay-colored. Greasy or oily stools. Insufficient bile can result in fatty stools, which may appear greasy or oily and float in the toilet. Nutrient deficiencies. Low bile can impair the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, leading to deficiencies that manifest as vision problems, bone weakness, and poor immune function. Itchy skin. A buildup of bile salts in the skin due to impaired bile flow can cause persistent itching, particularly at night. Fatigue. The inability to properly digest and absorb nutrients can lead to a general sense of tiredness and low energy. Reducing fat in the liver requires a multifaceted approach that involves dietary changes, lifestyle modifications, and sometimes medical intervention. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Adopt a low-carb, high-fat diet, also known as the keto diet. Reducing carbohydrate intake helps lower insulin levels, which is crucial for reducing fat storage in the liver. A ketogenic diet, which emphasizes healthy fats and proteins while minimizing carbs, can promote fat burning and reduce liver fat. 2. Increase physical activity. Regular exercise, especially aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, or swimming, helps burn excess fat and improves liver health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 3. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. Foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fatty fish, can help reduce inflammation in the liver and promote fat loss. 4. Avoid sugary foods and beverages. Sugar, particularly fructose, is a major contributor to liver fat. Cutting out sugary snacks, sodas, and processed foods is essential for reducing liver fat. 5. Limit alcohol intake. Alcohol can exacerbate liver damage and contribute to fatty liver. Limiting or avoiding alcohol is crucial for those with or at risk of fatty liver disease. 6. Support bile production. Eating foods that support bile production, such as bitter greens like dandelion, arugula, and kale, beets, and artichokes, can enhance fat digestion and promote liver health. And 7. Take supplements. Certain supplements like milk thistle, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E have been shown to support liver health and reduce fat accumulation. To support liver health and help keep fat off, consider incorporating a liver-friendly shake into your daily routine. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 2 cups of spinach or kale, rich in antioxidants and support bile production, 1 cup of frozen berries, also rich in antioxidants, and 1 cup of plain whole milk kefir, organic and grass-fed if possible. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This shake is packed with nutrients that support liver health, promote bile production, and help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. It's also low in sugar, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their liver health. The liver is an incredibly important organ, responsible for many vital functions that keep our bodies healthy. Fatty liver disease is a growing concern, but with the right dietary and lifestyle changes, it's possible to remove fat from the liver and restore its health. By focusing on a diet that supports bile production, reducing carbohydrate intake, and incorporating liver-friendly foods, you can take proactive steps to protect your liver and improve your overall health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips from Health Hacks. Stay healthy and youthful.